say UCCC?
Better way to help! The best is next! Mabuhay!
Mabuhay and welcome to UCCC or the Unified Community Credit Cooperative. Better way to help, uniting for a brighter tomorrow. Our vision is to be the leading force of our community, offering innovative services and solutions that improve the quality of life for all. We enhance the lives of our people, members, customers, and communities in which we trade.
Last year, sa kaka-negosyo namin, pumasok sa isip namin yun na mag-form ng cooperative. So, ito yung dito nag-umpisa, paano kami nag-form ng cooperative. Dahil sa negosyo, nakita namin lumago. Siyempre, gusto natin paluguin pa ng gusto. Meron kaming magagaling na IT, magagaling na engineer, na mga sa grupo namin, magaling na negosyante. Basta composite ito, lahat ng mga negosyante dito sa South Cotabato, kami yung mga grupo namin na to.
Balikan natin, 4 months ago, 5 months ago, hindi pa ganito si UCCC. That time, doon pa sa lumang office, mag-isa pa lang ako. All around. Eto ngayon, siniguro na ni si UCCC, merong kanya-kanya trabaho. May kanya-kanyang gagawa sa bawat department kung anong dapat gawin.
At Unified Community Credit Cooperative or UCCC, our mission is to empower individuals and communities by providing a better way to help. We are committed to fostering a spirit of cooperation, equality, and shared prosperity.
Okay, UCCC is not just a cooperative. We're also building a community here. So, where the members could immediately enjoy the 5 mandated services by the CDA.
We are building a brighter, more resilient, equitable, and sustainable future. We are committed to fostering a spirit of cooperation, equality, and shared prosperity.
Magandang buhay! Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Trina Balanon, ang inyong branch manager dito sa UCCC Unified Community Credit Cooperative ng Coronadal City.
Discover a comprehensive suite of financial solutions tailored to your needs at Unified Community Credit Cooperative or UCCC.
Nag-start po ako for our CBU na tinatawag na Capital Build-Up for the start na 5,000 at yun ay tinatanggap ko ang mga benefits monthly.
Our Capital Build-Up initiatives provide opportunities for growth, allowing you to save and invest for a secure future. Through our subscribed capital programs, you can participate in cooperative ownership, contributing to our shared success and reaping the benefits of a thriving community.
Primarily, ang ma-enjoy agad ng ating member once you become a member, yung ating credit and loan services. A variety of loans here in our credit program, no? Meron tayong loans for personal, meron tayong tinatawag na regular loans, meron tayong microfinance, meron tayong for business, entrepreneurial.
Bago po kayo sumali, ma'am, kailangan nyo pong umattend ng ating PMES or Pre-Membership Education Seminar. Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday po yung schedule natin, ma'am. Every 1 to 5 p.m. po.
Sumali po ako sa cooperative na ito dahil nakita ko may magandang kinabukasan ng aking pamilya na hanggang ngayon ay tinatamasa ko na. At kung gusto nyong sumali rin sa cooperative na ito, pumunta lang kayo sa office namin.
Kailangan nyo pong mag-fill up po ng ating application for membership form, ma'am. Meron po tayong mga requirements po na dapat dalhin. Una po, magdala po kayo ng valid ID and magdala na rin po kayo ng TIN ID as a requirements. 3 copy po ng inyong 2x2 pictures, isang copy po ng inyong 1x1 picture, and then magdala na rin po kayo ng photocopy po ng inyong birth certificate. And if married po, magdala po kayo ng inyong marriage certificate po.
Join our business partnership program and unlock a world of collaborative opportunities. Whether you're an entrepreneur seeking support for a business, looking for strategic alliances, our program fosters growth and collaboration.
Sa yung na-benefits na receive ko dahil doon sa meron tayong capitalization doon sa businesses kagaya ng gasoline station, meron at dito sa mini-mart, at saka doon sa yung mabilis yung pag-release ng loans. And lalo-lalo na po doon sa may cash incentive.
Hi mga ka-UCCC! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Tibuli, South Cotabato kung saan matatagpuan ang isa pang branch ng UCCC or the Unified Community Credit Cooperative. Ito ay isang one-stop shop para sa mga miyembro at residente ng Tibuli, South Cotabato. Mayroon ditong payment center where you can pay your bills through online, mini-mart, meat shop, car wash at isang gas station na makatutulong para sa mga miyembro at residente ng Tibuli, South Cotabato. Kung saan ito ay ma-experience nyo lang dito sa UCCC or the Unified Community Credit Cooperative.
Good morning Philippines and good morning Tebuli. Welcome sa tuang UCCC office. Tuang office diri sa Tebuli open siya for Monday hangtod sa Saturday gid sa hapon mga 5 p.m. So welcome ang tanan sa tuang UCCC office diri sa Tebuli sa pag-serve sa tuang katawhan diri. God bless po sa ating lahat.
Welcome to UCCC Polomolo Office.
Maraming grupo sa amin, nakikinabang lahat. Kaya yung motto namin na better way to help, siyempre pag member ka namin, matutulungan ka. Tsaka nagkakaroon kami ng unity, uniting people for a better future. So, kaya ito ang ginawa naming sa UCCC Cooperative.
Ako po ay nagkaroon po ng account po dito as a business partner ko po ang kooperatiba na ito. At maganda po ang aming samahan dito sa aming kooperatiba.
Kay nindot kay dali lang magpa-member basta naalay kay kapital o maayo po maabi-abihon ang mga officers and members diri sa UCCC. Join na kamo. Bilang senior citizen, naga-enjoy na gid ako.
Coming together is a beginning. Staying together is a progress. Working together is a success. Congratulations to all of us for having our UCCC. May our cooperative blossoms in the years to come.
I hope na maging successful kagaya ng Kiboli and Sorala ninyo, and I as chair ng Committee on Cooperatives would be much willing to help you.
Here at UCCC, better way to help, uniting for a brighter tomorrow.
When I say UCCC,